Finding the courage to change. Symptoms of dysfunction. I have many of the symptoms of dysfunction. Hidden within my normal childhood were the behaviors of control, judgment, shame, blame, resentment, and anger. There was also fear of being unworthy, not good enough, flawed. We felt abandoned and misunderstood. We became depressed and anxious. As soon as I could, I left home. I was so relieved to escape. But wherever I went, I had similar emotional experiences. I could not escape my own dysfunctional behaviors. I have a family disease that manifests itself in dysfunctional thoughts and behaviors. There's nothing wrong with me. I had a normal response to growing up in a dysfunctional environment. My normal response created survival traits which served me well. Fortunately, we never stop learning and growing. Now that I can recognize my dysfunctional patterns, I can begin changing them. When I know what I don't want, I also know what I do want. I have the ability to focus on what I want in my life. I also have the freedom to change right now. I don't have to wait for my outside circumstances to change in order for me to feel better. I can shift my attention and focus towards feeling good right now. I have discovered that what I focus on expands. I can choose to focus on the parade of good that is always present. I can allow myself to look for reasons to feel good or even just feel a little better. I have discovered the gift of the 12 steps. I can use them to restore my life to its natural joy, health, and happiness.